Yo, Amazon device. Set air fryer to 400 degrees.
I can't start the air fryer when the door is open.
Aha, I have the basket out, so I'll put the basket into place and try it again. Safety first. So on some recipes, you may have to preheat your air fryer, and this feature works just as easy as starting it up. You just say, yo, Amazon device, preheat air fryer to 400 degrees.
Preheating air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yo, Amazon device, stop air fryer.
Okay.
Yo, Amazon device, set air fryer to 400 degrees for 10 minutes.
Air frying for 10 minutes at 400 degrees.
And another little feature from the app, it sends me a text message when the food is done cooking.
VESYNC, now, air fryer, your food is ready. Enjoy.
Welcome to Blind Abilities. I'm Jeff Thompson. Air fryers. Just got one, and it's accessible. It's always been a thing to try and label it and market and figure out what's going on all the time and to get it just right so you can use bumps and stuff like that. But so I got the Cosori Pro II, and that's Cosori Pro II. It's a Roman numeral 2. It's a second generation smart device from Cosori, and it works great. It's a 5.8 quart basket, so it's great for 2 to 4 people. Dishwasher safe. And the basket is a 2-piece unit. One is a box where everything that falls through the basket gets contained in the box. Now, both of these do get hot, so you want to be cautious where you're setting it down. I like to set it onto the stove or onto a hot pad of sorts. I highly suggest that you have this area open, ready to receive your air fryer basket in advance, because once you pull it out, you want to know exactly where you're going to go with it. At this point, you have an option. You can keep them all contained, the box and the basket, or you can press with your thumb on the safety device. You press with your thumb and boom, you can separate the basket and lift it up. It's a lot lighter, easier to maneuver, and you can either dump it into a bowl, onto a plate, or set it aside. Now, the box part of it will have any shrapnel that fell down to the bottom, and you want to set that over into the sink area, but you want to be cautious because if any grease from the food has fallen through it, it could be still plenty hot. So be aware of that. And here's the neatest thing about the Cosori Pro II Smart Air Fryer. I can just ask my smart device, set air fryer to 400 degrees for 10 minutes, and boom.
Air frying for 10 minutes at 400 degrees.
I'm off and cooking. Or if you want to preheat your air fryer, as some recipes may call for, you just say, preheat air fryer to 350 degrees.
Preheating air fryer to...
There you go. You can actually ask it to stop cooking. Stop air fryer. And the list goes on. And when you get the skill from your smart device, it'll have a list of commands that you can use. And setting all this up was pretty easy. I went into the App Store and downloaded the VeSync app. Navigated around, found out where I could then connect up to my Wi-Fi. Once I connected up to my Wi-Fi, I then went into my Amazon device and enabled the skill from VeSync. Once the skill was loaded, I was off and cooking. It's highly suggested that you clean the basket before you start using it, so I washed it all up, cleaned it up, and it has a preheat cycle that they want you to do to burn out some of the metal oils or whatever they do from the factory. But yeah, you want to preheat it to 400 degrees for 5 minutes, let it cool down for 10 minutes, and then preheat it to 400 degrees once again, and you should be ready to go. Some foods that have been cooked in there are pork chops. Just spritz on a little bit of olive oil and put some almond flour on it, a little seasoning, and boom. There you go. Tater tots, onion rings, pizzas, sausages. The nice thing about this is you're not doing it in grease, so you're saving yourself a lot of calories from grease, and it's probably better for you. And if you need to find recipes, just ask your smart device how to cook something on an air fryer, and they'll come up with a lot of suggestions, a lot of recipes that you'll find. The resources are endless. It's just a handy device to use, whether you're off to college, in an apartment, or at home. An air fryer is a nice, convenient, and fast way to cook the foods that you like. So check it out. It's a Cosori Pro II on Amazon. I got mine for $139. I don't know if the prices change or if they go on sale, but that was a reasonable price for me with the accessibility built in that I needed. Overall, the Cosori Pro II Smart Air Fryer with the accessible app that you can download from the App Store or Google Play Store, and the smart device skill, which you can enable from either your Amazon or Google device. And yeah, it just works great. So there you go. Happy cooking. For more podcasts with a blindness perspective, check us out on the web at blindabilities.com, on Twitter at blindabilities, and download the free Blind Abilities app from the App Store and Google Play Store. That's 2 words, Blind Abilities. Give us a call at 612-367-6093. And until next time, bye-bye.
When we share
What we see
through each other's eyes, we can then begin to bridge the gap
between the limited expectations and the reality
of blind abilities.
and the realities of blind abilities.